That's like a boomerang.
It's a beauty. Let's try it. You want me to throw it?
Yeah.
See if it'll come back.
We're doing an air intake upgrade on a BMW M2 CS. It features the same 3-litre twin-turbo inline-6 as the M2 competition, but uses the ECU from the M4 competition, increasing power to 331 kilowatts and 550 newton meters. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4 seconds, as it has the optional 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It carries over the 6-piston front calipers from the M2 competition, but this one has the optional 400mm ceramic front rotors. It's equipped with 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and the CS features weight-saving and stiffer parts such as a carbon fiber roof, hood, front splitter, and boomerang engine brace. Inside, it features a carbon fiber center console, Alcantara trim with red contrast stitching and lightweight seats. And certain interior elements like the central armrest and rear AC vents have been deleted for additional weight reduction. Well, we got some crazy 7-speed dual clutch transmission, I'm guessing.
Yep.
Nice display.
It's
Alcantara.
lovely. Yep.
Cool. What's it like underneath, Dad?
Oh, magnificent.
Yeah?
Look at the exhaust. All titanium. Kropovich.
Ooh. Wait, is it aftermarket?
Oh yeah, that's all Kropovich exhaust, all titanium.
Oh, that's right, at the back, yeah.
All the way from the engine pipe, just from the 2 little engine pipes back, it's all Kropovich.
Kropovich, was it Croatian?
A Kropovich made in Slovenia.
Slovenia?
Yeah.
Pakusi.
Look,
Oh, yeah, made in Slovenia.
that's a
Wait, how do you say it properly?
A Kropovich.
Kropovich. That's an exhaust system? What's that worth, 10 grand?
Oh, I'm gonna guess 20 to 30.
Really?
Oh, that's my guess.
20 to 30.
Chris is looking it up. That's US dollars.
I wouldn't think so.
Yeah, so it's closer to 20 grand.
If that's Australian dollars, no, it's Australian dollars. Yeah, Australian site.
Is it?
Yeah, it's 13. So I was closest at 10.
Okay, you're closer to me. Look at how nice it is, bro.
Polished.
That's a serious bit of gear, that. That's a really nice cradle too, look at it. Look how it's made.
tubular.
Yeah, it's not aluminium, it's all steel and then aluminium arms. Whole rear cradle, really neatly done. Some serious calipers on it, front
Why
and
has it
back.
got water here? Aluminium, magnesium, 1 silicon Cu. And I'm an engineer, but I got no idea what that means. Can somebody tell me what kind of alloy that is? It's got aluminium, magnesium, 1 silicon Cu. What is that? That's a wheel.
Where's it, mate?
Taiwan.
Taiwan, oh really?
Someone look up the periodic table, please, and tell me what's that. Super light and strong?
Yeah,
Oh.
super light and strong.
I'll have 4 of those, please.
Yeah. Have oil coolers.
Is a
It'll have,
heat exchanger there
Yeah.
at the bottom. Got a heat exchanger here at the back. Then one below that, and then one. It's like 1, 2, so there's 4 here.
yeah,
I can see.
yeah.
Oh, and this. I don't know if that's connected to the top. But
Yeah.
wow. 2 CS pod or air intake upgrade. So two air intakes, one on each side, which I didn't even realise.
Yep.
So you got twin turbo, inline 6, wet intercooler, and then short little intake on this side, which will pull off and upgrade with the MST ones. And then another intake on this side. So 2 short pipes and pod filters and housings. What, half an hour job?
Oh, a bit more than that, I'd say. We'll see.
It's a little bit confined in here compared to working on an 86. It's like a little jigsaw puzzle to pull out. MST Performance Air Intake. What are you pulling off there, Dad?
$10,000 carbon fibre
Strut brace.
engine-based strut brace.
That's pretty cool.
Well, I don't know, it's 10 grand.
Can you
but it
hold
wouldn't
one
be-
hand?
Wouldn't be
One
cheap.
finger? MST air intake upgrade. 2 pipes, a short pipe, pod filter, long pipe for the left-hand side, pod filter, some screws and things, some clamps, and a little silicon hose gasket thing in the housings. Pretty simple. Yep, go throw it on. What are you pulling off? You pulled off the boomerang, and now you're pulling off just
The factory, I think from what I can see, obviously I've never done one before, only off the airbox
Yep.
and the intake section on this side here and the air mass meter that's here. Leave that off, put the new one in.
Yep.
I'll show you in a second. I swapped that over.
Yep. Clean as?
Oh yeah, well, pretty good.
The discs and calipers and that thing. Massive ceramic disc, 6-pot calipers, just fitting in there inside of those rims.
Was it in there somewhere? Oh, yeah. There you go.
Nice. And tune afterwards as well. Yeah, it's got some sort of piggyback system on it. On the new short little intake pipe.
Yep.
So
this is to the rear turbocharger. The intake to that.
Yep.
So I've took the airflow meter out.
Yep.
Or your mass meter out of the original box.
Yep.
I'll transfer that over here.
Yes.
It's really important, a direction of airflow.
Okay.
I don't think you can reverse this around, but in case you can, you must put this air mass meter in facing the right way, the airflow.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Being something that measures airflow.
Yeah.
Little intake housings, little boxes. Which one's which?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to work out. Can't be that hard.
Nah. This is a bit easier of a job than we did on Daryl's car, isn't it?
It is a bit. So that one there is obviously that one.
Oh, the picture helps.
And that one there is that one. So this should be that one. So this should be the rear one. And there's your screws. So what do we need? 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4.
That's the way it goes?
That's the way it goes.
Down in like that?
Just like that?
Yep.
A couple of these screws are going to be a little bit tricky.
Okay.
I think what I need is a... No, that should be right. Holes
everywhere. What's happened? Did someone lose a 10 more socket?
No, I haven't lost anything yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
What? It could be dangerous.
We're just saying how easy it would be to drop something down there and you'll never find it.
That crevice.
There's so many cavities and openings everywhere. You can't just put anything down and, yeah.
Is that some sort of piping that it holds or?
Well, it must hold that
wiring.
little vacuum hose that goes across there.
Okay.
It holds that water hose.
Yep.
And then this little vacuum hose here goes into a barb fitting that's already in it.
Okay, yeah. And that's a water hose that goes probably to the intercooler?
It does, yeah.
Yeah. And then the exits there to a expansion tank.
Yep. We'll take that off. There. So that just should come out of there. Like so. That's out.
Oh, so do you leave the stock bottom of the box in?
Yeah, you
This goes
leave
over
that,
the top.
You leave that in. That goes over the top.
Yep. And then it seals against the bonnet.
And it seals against the bonnet, correct. Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's the
Well,
intake.
it doesn't actually seal around the bonnet at all.
Where does it pull the air from?
Well, yeah, through there. Doesn't it?
Well, really, you're going to have high pressure coming in and then going up through the bonnet and out. So air's going to come in from down low in here. Like
well,
here,
it's got snorkels down the bottom here.
Yeah, so
they come in, but also the problem here is, oh, well, that's why they've got this here. So it seals, supposed to seal around the bonnet so you don't get hot air.
Yes.
You're only drawing cold air in from there.
Yeah, it'd be cold air in from the
front.
front.
But the trouble with this might be that you will be drawing a fair bit of hot air as well. But
and then up the pipe in. Nice.
Yep.
Well, it'd be nice to have some of those better hose clamps.
Ah.
Not too bad for the air.
This is fine.
Yeah.
That would go under there. That would go there. Put that on. Like so. Bring that around. That's neat, that's neat, that's neat, that's locked in, that's there. That's tight. That's perfect. We're happy with that.
Pretty good to me.
Very neat fit. Where's our boomerang? Does it come back yet? Boomerang's back. The boomerang is back. The boomerang is back. Back.
Two short bolts there.
Too short.
Yeah.
Go up the front.
Yeah.
And the 4 long ones, 2 on each side. That he's got in it?
Okay. Yeah. Piggyback ECU.
It's kind of yeah. There's another name for it. Can't think of the name.
So how does it work? So there's a harness there, extra. Like what's...
Yeah, what it does, it's an ECU with a special program in it.
Yeah.
And what it does, it intercepts...
things.
Yeah, that's right. It intercepts the signal from the airflow meter and the map sensor.
Yeah.
And sends the ECU a different signal to give it a bit more power.
Right.
That's a bit more complicated than that, but basically just it intercepts the couple of signals, couple of inputs, couple of the inputs from the engine.
It's going in between.
So it can up the boost. So
between the signals to the ECU.
That's right.
So it's before, in between the map sensors.
That's right. The map sensor, the air mass meter, fuel pressure, all of that. So it monitors all of that.
And tricks the ECU.
And tricks the ECU to give it more power and more boost.
So instead of cracking the ECU, you're just tricking it.
Yeah, basically that's it.
Like an old boost controller on a
kind of
Skyline.
Very similar.
A bit more high tech because they're all clever now.
Yeah, that's right.
Or for track and educational use only. The last little shroud's getting put back on. Nice. Not a bad fit.
Yeah, it's a very good fit.
Very good
the only
fit.
trouble is I think it's going to draw a fair bit of hot air from the engine bay.
It doesn't really seal that well.
No.
Like, yeah, you're
And
getting...
it's not going to seal over the bonnet here. This is not going to do jack shit. So the only problem is I think the hot air intake, but anyway, it is what it is. It's sealed and it's just drawing cold air in from here.
So really, you just want a better filter. You want less of a filter rather than a pod filter.
Black or charcoal? Charcoal.